In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a light sweep effect just like this. So with just your smartphone and your editing app, you can create this light sweep effect. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you practical steps on how to do that. So let's get started now. So if you are new in this channel and miracle updates, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's head on to the tutorial now. So we are going to use ucut to achieve this light sweep effect. So this is ucut over here. Tap on it, then let it load. Okay, click on the plus icon and new project. Okay, then import the video you want to add the light sweep effect. Okay, so I'm going to import a random video for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so this is the video I want to use here. I will add it. Okay, so the video is here. So this is how to add a light sweep effect. Okay, so once you import the video you want to add, then slide to this home tool. You see pip, click on pip, then go to materials over here, import the screen you want to use. Okay, so the color of the screen you want to use, you can use the green, the red, the blue, or anyone you want to use. So for this purpose of the tutorial I'm going to use black screen. So once you choose the screen you want to use, tap on it, then it will add up. Then slide over here, go to fill, click on fill for you to fill the screen. After doing that, then slide to this little arrow over here, tap on it. Alright, so after tapping on the little arrow, then click on video end to extend the clip to the end of the video. Okay, so this is it. Then the next thing you should do is go to mask. This is mask here, click on it, then click on mirror mask. That is the one we are going to use. Then after doing that, decrease the size of your mask. So are you seeing what I'm doing? So after decreasing it, then rotate it. After decreasing, you rotate it. Okay, are you see what I'm doing? So another thing you do is that after rotating it like this, is then click on this icon over here, click on it. Okay, so are you seeing what it has done? So after doing this, then click on this feather, increase the feather, increase it to soften the edges. Okay, increase it to soften the edges and also blend with the video. So let's decrease it again. Okay, so this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. Then I see what I'm doing. So let's leave it out from here. Here is okay. Then click on the check mark to save your work. Slide a little bit, let me say from here, then click on the keyframe. Then go back again and click on mask, shift it to the top. Okay, I see what I'm doing. Then click on the check mark to save it, then come again at the middle or somewhere here, then click on mask again, slide it, shift it over here, then click on the check mark to save it, slide again, then click on mask, shift it again to the face. Alright, click on the check mark to save the work. Then the last part here, so I'm going to show you two effects. Okay, so click on mask again, then slide to the down. Okay, so this is awesome. Let's leave it at here, then click on the check mark. Let's watch what we just created now. So can you see it? So after doing that, tap on the clip, slide over here, then go to curve, then click on the cubic out. Okay, this is the curve you want to add. Okay, so click on the check mark to save the work. So this is it. Can you see the effect? Then this is number one. Then number two, let me show you how to do it. So the second effect, delete all this keyframe. Once you reach it there, it will highlight a red color, then you know that it has marked the keyframe. Click on minus over here the same way. Yeah, minus, then this one minus 2. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do. So middle at the middle of the video, then go to mask again. This is mask here, then slide it to this place. Okay, then click on the check mark to save the work, then go to mask again. I see what I'm doing. Pay attention over here, slide over here. Yeah, so click on the check mark to save it. Let's see this one. Alright, so can you see the effect? Then let's add a curve to it. Okay, so let's add a curve. Click on the curve, the same cubic out. Okay, all right, so let's see how it look. So can you see? So this is very awesome. So this is a simple way to add a sweep effect in your video. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips, and I would like you to state the next video you like to watch in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.